Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to record desktop audio in OBS Studio and set it up correctly for the best recording quality. So let's get started. First, open OBS Studio and click Settings. From there, go to the Output tab and change the output mode to Advanced. Next, open the Recording section. If you're only recording your computer's audio, make sure Track 1 is enabled. If you also want to record your microphone separately for easier editing, enable Track 2 as well. You can also enable additional tracks if you're using more than 2 audio sources. When you're finished, click Apply, then OK. Now, return to the main OBS window. In the audio mixer, click the gear icon next to one of the audio sources and select Advanced Audio Properties. For desktop audio, make sure Track 1 is checked. If you're recording your microphone on a separate track, uncheck Track 1 for the microphone and assign it to Track 2 instead. This keeps your desktop audio and microphone on separate tracks, making it much easier to edit or adjust each one later without affecting the other. After that, close the Advanced Audio Properties window. Make sure the volume sliders for your audio sources are turned up and play any sound on your computer. If the audio meters are moving in the mixer, OBS is detecting your desktop audio correctly and you're ready to start recording. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.